4 finger on the 5th fret of 5 string, D, and next B on 5 string with one finger of left hand, and 3rd fret of 6th string with 2 finger, and the next bar 10 bar or 2 bar, hammer on 3rd fret on 5th fret on 6th string. F, G with A note, B and G, F sharp, and next E and 3rd bar. Yes, end of note of 3rd bar is we can hold with 4 finger 5th fret of 5 string. Begin as first bar. Come fast. Twice repeat. Uh, 15 bar. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 35 bar with P finger. Yes. Yes. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and repeat again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and